Hi everyone. In today's class, I'll do the next method to resolve into partial fraction. Okay. In this problem, you see what is x minus 1 the whole square by x cube plus x. That is a question. What is the degree of the numerator? 2. What is the degree of the denominator? 3. Now, we can split this fraction into two fractions of the form. First, let us factorize that denominator. See, if I am taking x as common, what I am getting? See, x I have taken as common. So I got x into x square plus 1. Okay, this x square plus 1 does not have real zeros. Am I right? So, I have to write bx plus c by x square plus 1. Because this x square plus 1 we can't factorize, it does not have real zeros. So I can split this as a over x plus bx plus c over x square plus 1. Now what is LCM? LCM is x cube plus 1. If you multiply all the terms by x cube plus x, then I'll get x minus 1 the whole square is equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x. Okay. Now I am expanding this x square a minus b the whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. I applied that. Now simple multiplication. Ax square plus a plus bx square plus cx. First, I am comparing the coefficients of x square. Coefficients of x square. What I am getting? 1 is equal to a plus b. First equation. Next, comparing the coefficient of x. Minus 2 is equal to c. So I got c value as 2. Okay. Now comparing the constant. What are constants? Here 1 is constant. There a is constant. Now a value also I got. Okay. Next, substitute a is equal to 1 in first equation. Then if I substitute a is equal to 1, b value I'll get as 0. Okay, now we can write this x minus 1 the whole square by x cube plus x as a is what? 1. 1 over x, b is 0. So 0 into x is 0 only. What is c value? Minus 2 by x square plus 1. So 1 over x minus 2 over x square plus 1 is the correct answer. This is the partial fraction. If you add these two fractions, you will get x minus 1 the whole square by x cube plus x. Here x square plus 1 does not have real zeros. So you have to write bx plus c as the numerator for that fraction. This is the concept. Thank you.